Basically, I got a message like this in my email inbox not too long ago, a couple weeks ago, and I just wanted to show that to you guys because it could affect your business if you're an affiliate marketer or any kind of online marketer. You sell things online, you have a blog, really anyone on the online space. And I'll just show this email to you. It was from one of my affiliate networks, Max Bounty. Many of you may know of it. Max Bounty offers affiliate products where you can make a commission off of them. But this is what the email basically read. Hi, James. I wanted to let you know that big changes are coming to Google Chrome in July that could have a negative impact on affiliate marketing efforts. The browser will begin blocking all URLs that do not use an SSL certificate and instead show users a warning message. This would obviously decrease the number of conversions you would get on a campaign. So Max Bounty has taken the steps, not only making all of your own domains secure, but we are also working diligently with our advertising partners to make sure they do the same. And, basically goes on to say about the updates. So some of you may be wondering how this may affect your business, and you may be wondering, what is an SSL certificate? How will it affect my business? And so there are free SSL certificates out there is one way to go, and there are paid ones. Well, what is the difference? Well, to save you all the tech talk and jargon, we'll try to make this as simple as possible. You got an SSL certificate. You'll have some companies offering free SSL certificates and some paid, right? But first, what is an SSL certificate? Well, first and foremost, it's basically a secure network. So for any website, you probably need an SSL certificate. It's a secure socket layer. That's the tech talk, right? But it provides safe communication via the internet. SSL certificates protect sensitive information with encryption and communication via the internet. So if you have a store, if you have a blog, if you sell anything online, you would need an SSL certificate. Simply because if someone's coming on your website, they want to buy something, they want to purchase something, they want to do so with security, they want to do so with peace of mind, knowing they can put their credit card information on your website, so forth and so on. So now, if you're looking at my little cursor here, you'll see it. Look at the top of this little whiteboard software program that I'm using. See how it says secure here? And see how it says HTTPS? If it doesn't have an SSL certificate, it would just say HTTP, which most people have today. But Google, with their updates, they're requiring this HTTPS, which is that secure, which highlights an SSL certificate is attached to this web page, this website, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much in a nutshell what it is without getting too technical. So what is a free SSL certificate, and why do I see, you may think, why do I see these free SSLs, and can that work for me? Well, a free SSL certificate is basically a shared SSL certificate. And I want to just illustrate this for you. When you want to purchase or you want to get a SSL certificate and it's free, let's say this is the home of the SSL certificates, and you want one for your website. What you would do is share this SSL certificate. You would not own it, but it would be free. Let's say this is a little attachment to this main house that owns SSL certificate. So you would come under the umbrella of this free SSL certificate, which basically means, let's say, for example, you'll have free SSL, sorry for the writing here, freeSSL.com, right? I made that up, of course. That doesn't, not that I know of, I don't think it exists. And what a shared SSL would mean is your domain would be attached to it. Whether you have a fitness blog, you have a store, you have whatever case may be, you're selling something that you make online. When you sign up for a free SSL, you're basically sharing this domain. And one downside to that is you don't own this. You're attached to it, just like this house, right? You know, just for illustrative purposes. Now, you also have, let me erase this, the example of a paid SSL certificate. Now, a paid SSL certificate is dedicated, right? Meaning you go to places like GoDaddy.com, A2 Hosting, HostGator, and you buy an SSL certificate. And many people think, oh goodness, they have to be really expensive. But if you own a website, right? Let's say you own a website and you're selling hundreds of dollars a week, you're selling thousands of dollars a week. Let's say the SSL certificate is only $59. Not a month, annually. So this gives you an idea how much SSL certificates cost. They're really not that expensive in the scope of business. So $59 annually, you have that peace of mind on your website. You can offer this security to anyone visiting your website. So in a nutshell, that's what SSL certificates are. It's security for your blog, for your website. And Google and different search engines are not, it's not just optional anymore, it's mandatory. You know, you have people fishing for data and all that. So this is basically a secure network for your blog or website. So I hope that helps you guys. Just wanted to give you that update. I was sharing that information that I received from Max Bounty and many other, like I say, host engines and search engines are requiring this. So click the link in the description if you're looking for some examples of a paid SSL certificates. You'll see links down there like HostGator, A2 Hosting, many people don't know about. But really these SSL certificates are not very expensive. They're very affordable. So we'll put links in the description if you're looking to add one to your website for that security. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next. Next one.